Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the New Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 18, 2023, hard Sudoku. Column E, column G, we have 4. Fifth row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Fifth grade. Column C, we get pair numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come any one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 8. 4th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 1. Column D also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Second row, then column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column H, 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column D, third row, we get pair numbers 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Fourth row and second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Fourth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 8. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 5, 8. Second row, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second grade and second row, 3 numbers are remaining 6, 7, 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Fifth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. Fifth grade, 2, 5 and 9. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Fourth grade, column I, we have pair numbers 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then the fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Sorry. The only 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. we confirm later. Column F, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 7, it will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Column D, we have 7 and 5, so 7 and 5 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Then 7th grade, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8, 8th row, we have 8, so it can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I and 8th row, we have pair numbers 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come any one of these cells. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 4th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. 6th row and 6th grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column I, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 2nd row and 2nd grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column H and 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 5, 8. 9th row, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column G and 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 9. 8th row, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.